Hey there, watch enthusiast. Today, we're diving into a retro-cool automatic sports watch that's not only affordable but also a real head-turner. Let's talk about the Merci Instruments Beaumarchais collection, a six-piece lineup that's all about 1970s swagger and Swiss watchmaking magic. Now, this is a watch that's got some serious style and substance, and I'm here to break it down for you. First things first, Merci Paris is a concept store with a unique in-house watch brand, Merci Instruments. The Beaumarchais collection is their way of celebrating the store's 10th anniversary with a touch of 1970s flair. What makes this collection stand out is its angular, industrial design inspired by Zenith watches from the 1960s and 1970s. And the best part? It's incredibly affordable, especially compared to the luxury Swiss watchmakers. Now, let's talk about the watch itself. The Beaumarchais features a 36mm stainless steel case with a facete design, blending vertical brushing and polished chamfered edges. The lugs are squared off, and the crown is unsigned with a coin-edge grip. The real standout here is the prominent fixed steel bezel, which resembles a nut stacked on a washer. It's a unique and eye-catching detail. Each Beaumarchais reference comes on a shell cordovan leather pin buckle strap, colored to complement the dial. Now, the dial is where things get interesting. The Beaumarchais has a sector dial with a raised circular center, differentiated by color and texture. Every dial is ringed by a ruler-style minutes track, and the hands are polished, stamped metallic syringe hands. Now, the real standout models are the blue Ether and black Singularis. These feature metallic applied R markers, with the Merci logo icon at 12 and facete arrowheads at 3, 6, and 9. The remaining spaces are filled with stars, creating a unique and playful design. The blue dial and stars evoke a connection to Zenith, with their similar star logo. The green Cosmora model blends a grainy center with a glossy R ring, using a combination of polished hemispherical and faceted arrowhead markers. The fully metallic Hori model has a polished center and a brushed R ring with arrowhead and keystone markers, and it also features a blue seconds hand. The August model stands out with a printed R track, glossy black Roman numerals on a silvery ring, and a blue seconds hand. Now, the Eon Blue model is a real standout. It's the only Beaumarchais dial with lume and features an octagonal central dial sector. The white Arabic numeral R markers are made of 3D block superluminova, and the hands are coated in matching white superluminova. The light blue octagonal center sector is raised and textured, surrounded by a flat, matte navy blue R ring, and it's matched by a blue cordovan leather strap. Under the hood, the Beaumarchais is powered by a workhorse Miyota caliber 9039 automatic movement, offering a 42-hour power reserve. It's a reliable and well-respected movement, making the watch easy to service. And the best part? The Beaumarchais is available now for €470, which is an incredible bargain for an automatic watch with 100mm water resistance and a stunning design. In my opinion, the Merci Instruments Beaumarchais collection is a must-have for any watch enthusiast. It's a perfect blend of retro style, Swiss craftsmanship, and affordability. So, if you're in the market for a unique and stylish automatic sports watch, the Beaumarchais is definitely worth a look. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more watch reviews and insight.